Data analytics is the foundation of AI. Without understanding data, you can't understand or trust the intelligence built on it. This video course is introductory to data analytics for the age of AI. Created by Dr. K. Seefeld. The material used in these videos is in the Text Data Rookie's Introduction to Data Analytics. Available as a free PDF from the website www.dataanalyticscurriculum.com. Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 1, Section 3, Tools and Technologies. In this module, we will examine the essential tools and technologies that form the foundation of modern data analytics. Learning outcomes. Upon completion of this section, you will be able to identify key tools used in data analytics, understand the role of programming languages, recognize major data processing tools such as Hadoop, Spark, and ETL platforms, describe widely used data visualization tools, and evaluate emerging tools and their potential impact on the future of analytics. Essential tools in data analytics. The practice of data analytics depends on a diverse range of tools designed for data handling, analysis, and visualization. As data volumes and complexities continue to increase, these tools evolve to meet new challenges and analytical demands. The core categories include programming languages, data processing platforms, and visualization software that collectively enable data professionals to derive meaningful insights from raw data. Programming languages. Programming languages serve as the foundation of all analytical processes. Python is among the most widely adopted languages in data science and machine learning due to its versatility and extensive ecosystem of libraries. These include Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, which support everything from data manipulation to advanced model development. R remains highly valued for its strong statistical capabilities and visualization tools, particularly through packages such as ggplot2 and dplyr. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is fundamental for querying and managing relational databases, and is commonly used with systems such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, BigQuery, and Amazon Redshift. Data processing tools. Data processing tools are essential for managing large-scale datasets efficiently and enabling both batch and real-time analysis. Hadoop provides a distributed framework for storage and batch processing across multiple computing nodes. Apache Spark offers high-speed, in-memory data processing that supports real-time analytics and iterative computations. ETL tools, including Apache NumPy and Talend, are used to extract, transform, and load data from diverse sources, ensuring that data is properly cleaned and integrated for subsequent analysis. Visualization and reporting software. Data visualization transforms complex datasets into clear, interpretable insights that inform decision-making. Tableau is a leading visualization platform known for its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and interactive dashboards. Power BI, developed by Microsoft, integrates seamlessly within the Microsoft ecosystem and provides powerful reporting and collaboration capabilities. For those working in Python environments, Matplotlib and Seaborn remain essential libraries for creating detailed, customizable, and publication-quality visualizations. Emerging tools in data analytics. The field of data analytics continues to expand with new technologies designed to enhance performance and accessibility. Apache Flink facilitates real-time stream processing, enabling low-latency analytics on continuous data flows. Snowflake offers a cloud-native data warehousing solution that provides scalable storage and high-performance query processing. DataRobot is an automated machine learning, or AutoML, platform that streamlines the process of building, evaluating, and deploying predictive models. DeepNote introduces a collaborative environment for data science notebooks, supporting real-time teamwork and reproducibility. Trifacta applies machine learning techniques to simplify data wrangling, cleaning, and preparation, making complex pre-processing tasks more efficient. In summary, tools and technologies are central to the success of data analytics initiatives. From programming languages and processing frameworks to visualization and emerging platforms, each category plays a vital role in transforming data into actionable knowledge. A solid understanding of these tools equips analysts and data scientists to address complex problems and drive data-informed decision-making across industries. Remember, the book is available as a free PDF download, and if you need hands-on labs, there are additional books with these to accompany the text, as well as other books and resources available at the website www.dataanalyticscurriculum.com.